everyone to day 26 of our body yoga. I thought today we would begin with standing. We'd just do a bit of a flow today. So just standing with your feet hip width apart. And we're just going to be inhaling the arms up. You're going to bring the palms together and then exhale, hands to heart center. So just beginning with breathing, so breathing in. And if you want, you can take your gaze up as you bring your hands up. Exhale, bring the hands down and gaze down. Breathing in. And exhaling, bringing the hands down to heart center. Another 3. Breathing in. You don't have to look up. If you find you get dizzy looking up, then just keep your gaze down. Again, breathing in. Exhaling down. And again. And exhaling down. Bring your feet more than hip width apart, so quite wide. And we're just going to sink into our knees. We're going to stretch out our shoulders. So you're just going to push the left knee away with your arm. So then your left shoulder will drop. And then you're going to push the right knee away, dropping the right shoulder. So just working into our hips and our shoulders, inhaling and exhaling as you swap. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Another 2. Just pushing the knee away, dropping the shoulder. Last one, each side. And then standing up. So we're just going to loosen up our shoulders, and you're just going to rotate the palms up and down, up and down. So you can inhale up, exhale down. You're going to keep your feet wide, bring your arms up. So this is our star posture. And then we're going to drop into goddess. So you're going to bend into your knees and cactus your arms back, so bending at the elbows. Then you inhale up, reach into your fingers, exhale, sink, cactus the arms. So imagine you've got your orange between your shoulder blades, squeezing them back and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Again, breathing in, breathing out. Another 4. Exhale. Another 2. And release the arms down. Bring your feet in. So standing side on your mat. We're just going to inhale the arms up. Then you're going to exhale, come forward into your forward fold. So you can bend your knees as much as you need here to come into forward fold. And exhale, bringing the hands to your shins to make your back flat as possible. Then inhale, bring the hands down into your forward fold, and then slowly come up to standing again. So we're just warming up our back here. Hands come into prayer and then down to heart center. So once again, inhale the arms up, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bring your hands to your shins, flatten your back. Exhale, forward fold, bending the knees if you need to. Pushing into all 4 corners of your feet as you engage your core to come up. Hands come together and down to heart center. And again, breathing in. Breathing out, coming forward into your forward fold, into your flat back, hands on shins. Hands come down to the floor, towards the floor, and then pushing into the feet as you come up to standing. Arms reach up, hands come together, and exhale down. So we'll do one more, breathing in. So this is just warming up our back and our spine, getting the blood flowing in our spine, so we're into our forward fold. Exhale, flat back. Inhale, hands down to the floor, and then pushing into the feet as you inhale up. Hands come together and down to heart center. Okay, we're going to step our feet wide now. Rotate the front foot at a 90-degree angle. Bring the arms up to shoulder height, but relax the shoulders away from your ears. So we're going to sink into this front knee. So you want to make sure the knee isn't going over the ankle joint. So you may need to work your foot out a little bit. Sinking into that front knee, so it should be like at a 90-degree angle. So we're into our warrior two. And then we're just going to flow with our breath here. So we're going to drop the backhand down, rotate the palm and gaze up. So this is our sun warrior. And then we're going to exhale, bring the hands back to warrior two. Inhale, rotate the palm, drop the hand down. Exhale, bring the hands back to warrior two. So don't let this knee roll in, keep it to the baby toe side of your foot. Inhale, rotate the palm. Exhale, back to warrior two. We're going to do another three, breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Last one, breathing in. And breathing out. Bring the feet round. Place the hands on the hips. You're going to go into your forward fold, so make sure the shoulder blades are back towards one another so that you're lengthening through the front body, and keep that length as you hinge from your hips. If you've got high blood pressure, just keep your head at hip height. Otherwise, you can let your head drop further. You can hold on to your elbows or bring the hands to the floor. And just take a few breaths here before we go to the other side. And then rotating the feet in the opposite direction. So turning the left foot 90 degrees, bringing the right toes in slightly, arms come up into our warrior two, sinking into this front knee. So again, be aware it's not going over the ankle joint. And when we're looking forward, this hand tends to drop down, so try and remember to keep it up. So once you've sunk into your hips, you're going to rotate the palm. Inhale, drop the back arm, look up into your sun warrior. Exhale, back to warrior two. Again, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Another four, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Another two. So you'll feel this on your legs. These postures are quite intense. Inhale on the legs, exhale. And also stretching down the side body. Also, you'll feel it in your shoulders with holding your arms out. Bring the feet forward again. This time we're going to interlace our fingers behind our back. Push down towards your tailbone. And you're going to hinge from your hips again. So bringing the arms up off your back, just stretch across your shoulders. Make sure you're not holding tension in your neck here or your jaw. Release the jaw, let it be loose. You can shake your neck a little bit to release any tension. And release the arms to the back and slowly come up to standing. You're going to bring your feet together now, or slightly apart if you're not comfortable to have them close together. Actually, it's better to have them hip width apart for this one. So we're going to inhale the arms up as we come up onto our toes, and then we're going to exhale coming down onto the heels, bringing the arms out and down. Inhaling up, exhaling out and down. Inhale, the arms come up. Exhale, the arms come out and down. And again, breathing in, breathing out. Another 4, breathing in. So there's a bit of balance involved here as well, of course. So just come up to where you can. It's a good one for our legs and our calf muscles. Good one for balance. Breathing in and breathing out. Another 2. Last one. And again, just step your feet more than hip width apart. We're just going to swish side to side. Loosening any tension in our shoulders. Let your arms just flop against your body here. This is good for stimulating the lymphatic system. Arms dropping against your kidneys and your liver. It helps the blood flow come to that area. So you should feel a bit energized after that. The postures, warrior 2 and sun warrior, are energizing. You should feel your legs have worked a little. And then slowly let the arms come back. So we're just going to relax but standing today. So stand in your Tadasana. So make sure your quads are active, pelvis is tilted in and under so that your core is activated and your spine is long and straight. Imagine you have the orange between your shoulders, so just rotate your shoulders in towards, palm facing forward. Close the eyes down if you feel comfortable enough to do that, otherwise you keep your eyes open. So I want you to be aware of how your body feels. Notice if your heart is beating a little bit stronger after that. Because when we're working our legs are the biggest muscle, and therefore our heart beats a little bit faster whenever we're using our legs. Notice any tingling sensations in your body. And notice how you're standing. Is your weight even on both feet? Beginning with your forehead, relaxing the forehead, coming down to the jaw, relaxing the jaw, letting it be loose. Coming down the neck into the shoulders, relaxing the shoulders away from your ears. And I want you to follow the line from your pelvis down, your thighs, into your shins and feet. And I want you to imagine that You have roots growing out of your feet and going right down into the ground, helping to ground you, helping you to feel calm and grounded. Slowly you can open your eyes. So that is another day done. So I hope you enjoyed. As I said, you should feel a little more energized with those exercises because they are opening up the chest, and the standing ones are a bit more energetic. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or the rest of your evening if you're doing this at night. I would say namaste for now, and I'll see you for another day tomorrow. So bye for now.